Hi there. Received here a fairly recycled box. No wine in it. I suppose. But let's just see what we find under all these bubble wrap. Ooh, several little parcels are coming out here. This is more than expected, I have to say. Different weights. Let's see what has been delivered. So, firstly, here. Firstly, we've got here some some rolling stock. Sorry. Some Hornby, some Jeff. Seems that the hook is falling down. This Hornby, I think, as well, is missing parts. Right, this one seems intact. That's nice. And always a good old buffer. Oh, this spring is not working very well anymore. Not too bad. Good old Triang Hornby joblot by Meccano, made in Liverpool buffer. Good. That's for spares and repair. And here a coupling, which is still intact. The next lot here, someone has here put a personal touch to it. I've got here some wood in this Hornby thing here. The coupling is broken, but this can be just glued back on. So okay, a little repair job. Here I've got some, looks almost like breakfast, Weetabix or whatever it is. Let's put it back in, nice. That's now a Triang. Something's blocking it a bit. Now here's 3 spinning wheels on this later Triang with a plastic boogie holder. And here we've got 2 tenders. Now that's interesting. There's a Mainland and a, what's this here? Grish, built in Britain. I don't know which company this is from. Anyhow, so 2 tenders. Well, okay. With the tender comes a nice, that looks like a Hornby made in China locomotive. Clearly it has taken some damage. I wonder whether it's working or not. It has quite suffered a bit. Oh dear. Even this coupling here has come off. Just put it in place before I lose it. That's it. Let's just take the rolling road out and let's check immediately whether it's working at all or not. Put it here on 12 volt. Yeah, well, seems to be working. Brilliant. So there's a little bit of damage, but it's working. What's next? This is heavier. That's more interesting. This is a nice heavy locomotive. Oh, it's a Mainland. Clearly, something is a bit pear-shaped here. I think these wheels need somehow. Oh, it looks a bit better. I don't know what's going on here, but clearly a metal body. Made in Hong Kong and the Mainland. So this probably goes with this one here. Yeah. And more or less in good shape. Let's see whether this one is working or not. I have to put it here. Again, that's less successful than the last one. Turn around. This one unfortunately is dead. Let's carry on. What's in here? few more coaches. This is a nice brake van. Again, here part of the coupling missing. Maybe that's the one which we could put here. Likely. But here another. Oh, it's a mineral lime company. It looks like a Triang. Maybe it's a Hornby. I don't know. Don't know what it is. This looks like a Triang again, a newer one with plastic base. Here comes more stuff. This is a coupling like Hornby's had at some point. Looks alright, just some couplings are missing. It's now still Triang, but a newer model again, Triang. Is it a Triang? No, it's a Hornby already. Where's it made? In China. This one is now again a Triang or Hornby, made in China. Last but not least, got here a switch house, station house, or switch box house. It's interesting, it's magnetic, so you can exchange whatever you want to write onto it. And here is an older one. That's nice as well. Triang one. Pretty. I don't know who made this one here. It seems to be very similar. So that's the Hornby one. You can tell, no difference, just the name has changed really. I prefer the Triang one. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.